Let's go. TSB time. You're gonna hear my keyboard because I'm like if I lift my microphone. Now it's less in my keyboard. Oh, I mean the delay. Oh, 200 ping? Nah, worse. 150. Yeah, that's right. Mostly gonna be relying on. Okay, that was actually kind of impressive. Yeah, there's no way I can dodge a flash strike. Okay. Here we go. Or 250 ping, I think I'm actually doing okay. My pro could probably take me down, no problem. I'm gonna do my combo okay. That was the perfect block, bro. If I had good ping, that would not have taken a lot. There we go. Flash right. There we go. Well, we're doing duels till like, I don't know. Until I get bored. It's like in an hour, 2 hours, whenever the recording, the auto defaults off, I don't know. From now on, we're leaving a ping meter. Why can't they get good ping? Oh, that's right. Private servers. Roblox has an issue. In private or localized servers, well, no, not localized, but reserved servers, I cannot get my ideal ping. At minimum 150. That all happened yesterday because an avatar creator. I was randomly getting 400 ping. And one tree, good to know. I'm used to literally 50 ping, so this is 3 times the input lag I'm used to. I kind of prefer the old arena. There we go. Wait, what? TSB has a funny little buggy, where people don't die when they're supposed to. This leads to some crazy moments like that. He should have died. Dear Lord, what's gonna be my ping this time? 200? Oh, 1,000 off the bat when loading. About average. 150 again? Okay. More guesswork. Input delay. Q. That is very noticeable. Q. 1. Wait. Q. W. Oh wait, actually movement isn't effective. Q. You can probably actually hear what I'm typing. Let me bring it closer. Q. There is delay. Sucks. I don't know for you guys. This is about average. Usually I got around 70, 50. My graphics are, let me check what graphics I have. 60. Give this question okay. You ready? Okay, yeah. Oh, that's a side timer. Oh, I could play this so well, but I don't know if it works. This kind of ping. I'm kind of hoping my scatter really does most of the damage. Sometimes I don't even hit 15 duels. I can get as low as 30. I think my record is like 20. I want to say back in the old days. 20. Oh, I can still do that. Okay, that's nice. Nope. To this one. This will be impossible for me to get past like rank 50. This ping. Not impossible, but highly improbable. Ping there matters. If you cannot get like 50 ping, you might make it, but a lot less. And if you get 150, just get it. No. You will have to be a god at predicting to do a 150. To be fair, smart. So I've lost to people playing ping. There we go. I'm 15. He was. Now he's rank 5. And there's Clover. Okay. No, I feel like Clover would have been green, not yellow, because yellow just doesn't match. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's taking so long to go in TSB. Roblox needs to fix this problem already. The servers in here are just down. Oh, no, I should. The localized servers near me are down. Oh my, it is. Oh, if I get 30,000 again when joining, I'm quite insane. Roblox, please fix your servers. It's driving me insane. I can't take this suffering anymore. I'm in. Duels queue, okay. No way! No way! You got 50 ping? Yo, it's insane. Oh, hell yes. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. I love it, but here at the same time. Oh my god. What? Oh, it's sorry, yeah. Okay, I know how to count that. Sure! No, I think this dude's pulling out much 50. Are you pretty good at one, you think? Because you don't need that precision. No? I swear this dude has, yeah, he has easily 200. What? Duels, yeah. Yes. What's that ping? No. That. I'm mumbling myself. I clicked on mumbling actually. Hey guys. Good feeling laugh I have. Ooh. Let's see. 150. Yep. You can use ping to usually tell roughly how much ping you're gonna have on default. Yeah, it's gonna be hell. Oh, it's gonna be worse than I thought. I will physically have to perfect them one trade every single time. Oh, flat strike's gonna be my best one. I'm getting killed no matter what. Like I said, 150 is really hard to fight with. That's not what I expected. I'll tell you the rest. Alright. Wait, what? Oh my god, I might actually win this by just zoning. Oh my god, if I win this, that'll be insane. Nah. He just has to adapt. And adapt. Guess he's gonna die. Yeah, I already died once. Okay, I see the red button on my screen. Reaction time and ping is massive. You also have to be extremely cautious. I would just have to delay his ult. I would have to waste his ult. I should live, right? Literally a super. Literally a slither health. I'll work through his strikes. I just need to win one played twin wash. Did I say wash? No, like speaking like a spell. That's it. Now that was insane. So help me God. No, how did I win that? That. That is literally definition of insane. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna upload this 20 minutes.